We all get a chance. Everybody gets to dance. Only in America. Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. If you guys have requests, please let me know. I'm more than happy to oblige as much as I can. And so just let me know in the comments if you have other songs you want to learn. But this is Only in America. I think that's what it's called, right? Only in America. Yep, Only in America by Brooks and Dunn. So I actually hadn't heard the song before, so thanks for requesting it. I really do appreciate it. It's a very easy song to play, and it's really fun. So you don't need a capo for this one. It's just standard tuning, which is awesome. I love that. I just love how easy it is to just pick it up and play. So real quick, thanks to everyone who's subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please hit like and subscribe, and the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. Okay, all right, enough of that stuff. So here's how the song is going to start. The main chords you're going to use throughout almost the entire song are going to be E, okay, then A, and then B. And you notice when I was playing, I was just playing it like this, so you can play it like, I was just playing it more as like a bar and power chord. You can do either one, okay? So you're going to do, and then B. So that's going to be for the entirety of the verse. The verses except for the, well, yeah, that's how the verses are going to be. So it's just going to be E, A, B. So the strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so it's E, down, down, up, down, up, A, down, down, up, down, up, B, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you're gonna play E, A, B twice with no, just like that, with no lyrics, and then you're gonna go into the verses. You're gonna do sun going down. Sorry, let's see. Sun going down over New York City. So it's gonna be E on sun. Sun going down. I don't know if it's down or up. I can't remember the lyrics, but down over. So on it, it's either in that spot is where you do A. Over New York City. So city is where you do B. City. And then E. Okay? Right before school. School bus driver. Driver is A. Driver in the traffic jam. Okay, jam is B. Okay, then A. Then you go to here, you go to A. Alright? Starting at the, let's see. A is staring. Staring at the faces. Faces is B. Faces in her rearview mirror. Okay, then you go to A again. Looking at the promise of the promised land. Okay, so land. So looking is A and land is B. Then you go back to E, A, B. One kid dreams. Okay, dreams is A. Dreams of fame and fortune. Fortune is B. Fortune. Then you're gonna do A. Okay. Okay, so A, just like that, down, up, down, E. Or you could even just skip that A probably, but you could just do E. One kid helps. Okay, helps is A, helps pay a rent. Rent is B. Then you go back to the A, B, E. So then you go Abe, all right? One could end up. So end is B, end up and going to prison. Prison is E, prison. You shoot down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, then you go to A. One just might be president. All right, then after this you're gonna go to E. So you go E. Only, okay, so that's when you're going to the chorus. You're gonna do one more E after the verse. You're gonna go only, so on only is where you do A. Only in America. Okay, America. The end of America is B. America, dreaming in red, white, and blue. At the end of blue, you do E again. Only, okay, then only, it repeats, okay? Then you go, A is only in America. Okay, B again at the end of America. Where we dream as big as we want to. Okay, then here you're gonna do C sharp minor. C sharp minor is not a difficult one. It's basically a power chord, sorry, or a bar chord, but you're going to be doing it up on you're going to have your bar on the 4th fret, okay, from the A string down, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the D string, and your pinky finger, or you can hold it down over both, but you're going to put your pinky finger as well on the 6th fret on the G string. Okay, so it's like that, and then you're going to put your middle finger, all right, on the 5th fret on the B string. Okay, so then you do that C sharp minor. So then you go, let's see, we all get, then get is A, get a chance, and then back to C sharp minor. Everybody gets, okay, then gets again is A, gets to dance, and then E. A, only in America, okay, America is B, America. Then you go back into E. It just goes right into it for the next verse, okay? So the verses, the chorus just goes A, B, E. Sorry, well, it starts out E. Okay, but you go A, B, E, A, B, C sharp minor, A, C sharp minor, A, E, A, B. Okay, that's how the chorus goes. Now, remember the verses are going to be E, A, B, A. Okay, then you go E, A, B. Then you go A, B, E, B, A, B, E, A. Okay, so you just do that and you repeat it, okay? And so then for the solo part, you're just going to do A, E, B, and then you're going to do that again, A, E, B, okay, and then you're going to do C. Okay, so they play the chorus at the end. So if you want, you can play it the same way that you did earlier, or you can play it like this. So after you do that C, you're going to go to F, okay? F. Only in America. Okay, so you're going to do F, only, then you're going to go to B flat. So it's the same as B, but you're moving your hand up 1 fret. So instead of being on the 2nd and 4th frets, you're going to be on the 1st and 3rd frets. So it's going to be only in America. And then at the end of America, like on the C part, you're going to do the letters, the C chord. Where we're dreaming in red, white, and blue. Then you do F again. Then B flat. Only in America. C. Where we dream as big as we want to. Okay, then you're going to do D minor. Okay, so D minor, you're going to put your middle finger, just like that, on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then you're going to put your ring finger down on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then your pointer finger goes up on the 1st fret on the little E string. Okay, so that's where you would play the C sharp minor, but you're playing it here instead because you're playing it the way that they are. You go, we all get, then you go to B flat, get a chance, then you go back to D minor. Everybody gets, okay, gets is B flat, gets to dance, and then F. B flat, only in America. Then you do F again. B flat, only in America. Okay, and then you'll just repeat that until the song ends. So you would do that like twice more at the end of that. Okay, that's how the whole song goes. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have any other song requests or anything. And it's been fun. I'll see you next time.